Racing as they battle for the Cesar G. Avila Trophy Race. We have I Will Survive, break weekly at the start. And in second is Pangani Boy, and on the outside third Taralets. That on the inside Muskrat. In the middle portion comes Fire and Rain, while Invincible Ink is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have I Will Survive by about 4 lengths. And in second, now is Muskrat. 2 lengths further back in third, Pangani Boy, Fire and Rain, Taralets, while Invincible Ink now racing in 6 half-mile distance. They traveled with I Will Survive this time by about 8 lengths. Muskrat in second, moving up now on the outside is Taralets. Pangani Boy is racing in fourth, then followed over by Fire and Rain, while Invincible Ink is still racing in less than a 4 turn with I Will Survive, maintaining a 6 lengths lead. Muskrat still in second, then comes Taralets. Next on line is Pangani Boy, then followed over by entry number 4, Fire and Rain, while Invincible Ink still racing in less as they swing for home. We have I Will Survive by about 8 lengths. Muskrat now in second, then on the outside, Taralets, last 100 meters from start to finish. It's all I Will Survive. The second is Muskrat, Taralets, then comes Pangani Boy.
Third choice na naman.
Yes. I Will Survive. Banderan tapos. Pagkakapanalo, race number